This chicken, as it was on sale, as you can see. So what I like to do is I like to put this into the Instant Pot. Okay, so once I have this in the Instant Pot, I just let it cook. Okay, and then I take the bones out, take the meat off, and then I take the meat and put it into another container. I take the bones out, dump it out. I take the skin, remove it. Then I take the broth from that chicken that was cooked down in the Instant Pot. So Instant Pot is a pressure cooker. It'll pressure cook, make it fall off the bone, pretty much that. And then I take that broth, put it in the fridge, scoop out all, and then in the morning scoop out the fat, throw that away, and then use that gel, which is the bone broth, to make my chilies and things like that. So I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm going to get this cooked up, and I have my Instant Pot ready to roll. So just put that in there, and then I just I actually will season it as well when it's in there. Add about 2 cups of water, and good to go. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. As you can see, I got the chicken ready there. It's seasoned. I used this high seasoning here. So and then I didn't add an onion. I didn't add carrots or anything. I'm gonna save that for when I make the actual meat. Put it in a separate bowl. And then save this broth, put this broth into the, and throw away the bones, and then put this broth into the fridge, and then basically the oil will solidify, scoop out the oil, and then now you got your broth at the end. So I'm gonna get that done, put it in the fridge, and I'll be back in about 8 hours. All right, so as you can see, this is the chicken broth that I made. See how much fat there is? So you want to scoop that off and then use it to make your chili. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to get rid of the fat, put an onion in there, add some beans, and then add the meat back in there, and then add a little bit of carrots to it, and that should do it. Alright guys, I'll be right back and get it all set up. So as you can see, the fat is all gone. I scraped it off, so it's really easy to get that all cleaned up. And then now it's time to make my stew. So, alright guys, so as you can see, it's almost ready here. I got my can of beans, and then I got this can of tomatoes. I'm going to put that in there as well, and then put the meat back in, and then we should have a nice little stew. I'm going to add a little bit of rice to this as well to give it a little bit of thickness. And yeah, I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's all ready to go, as you can see. So how am I actually going to cook it? I'm actually not going to put it on super high heat, so it's going to be just on the rice button, just get the rice cooked in there. Other than that, it'll be ready afterwards, so I'll do a quick taste test. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a quick taste test after this is done. It's going to be about 30-40 minutes. I'll be back. Alright, so as you can see, the soup is all done here. The broth is nice. Check it out. It's got a nice smell to it. We'll do a quick taste test. There we go. It's got a lot of flavor, guys. That chicken is so flavorful. That broth is so nice. It's not super oily or anything. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. This is a really good stew. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, like I said, you'll like this one. I'm surprised at myself. So, alright, stay tuned to the next one.